Hi everybody, всем привет, welcome to my channel. So I know that a lot of you have been asking for healthier recipes or healthier gluten-free chocolate brownies maybe? Ah, yeah, that's exactly what we're making today. And they're gonna be also made with marshmallows. Oh my god, like I can't explain how amazing that is. Всем привет, by the way. So I will show you today how to make those, and you're gonna want to go home and make them even if you're not gluten-free intolerant. These are so chewy, so gooey, nutty slash chocolatey with marshmallows inside. I literally couldn't stop eating them. I had about 5 or 6, and then 10 minutes later I had a few more. So they're quite dangerous. So make sure you have friends that can eat them with you. Otherwise you're just gonna explode. That's all I'm saying. Guys, let's get started. In a bowl, add your dark chocolate, butter, and then melt everything in a microwave over 30-second breaks, or do it over the double boiler until the chocolate is nice and melted. So just keep mixing it with your whisk until it's all combined and looks just super shiny and beautiful. I'm also using 70% dark chocolate because it gives it the best flavor. So just keep whisking it, and then we're going to add vanilla extract, and then I'm adding some sugar and whisking it again. Just look at that beautiful color. Just keep mixing until everything's combined, and then I'm adding my 4 eggs into the mixture and mixing it again. So just break the eggs apart and you will see that the chocolate mixture will become super thick and glossy. So the eggs really do add so much stuff in there. So the eggs really make the difference in this recipe. Then I'm gonna add my almond flour and just mix everything together. So just gently incorporate this. You can also use gluten-free flour if you wish, but I've never really tried it, and I've tried it with almonds and it really is delicious. Once your mixture is done, you can opt out for this option, but I'm adding some mini marshmallows. You can add pecan nuts, you can add chocolate chips, or whatever that you like. It's absolutely your choice. And then I'm adding a parchment paper to a deep baking dish, and then just adding my gluten-free chocolate brownie mixture inside. You want to make sure that it's spread evenly so that they're all roughly the same size. Just put them out, make sure you're using your spatula into every corner. And we're going to bake these at 170 degrees Celsius or 325 Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. You can find the recipe for these gluten-free chocolate brownies on my website alisyummyfood.com, and it's going to be on the main homepage. But if you wanted to check out other recipes that I have, chocolate or delicious desserts, Russian food, or anything that you fancy, I've got it all. Just check out my website and click on the pictures. Now our brownies are nearly done. The house smells amazing, super chocolatey. Just look at these. They have puffed up with a marshmallow, and I'm gonna decorate it with more white chocolate on top and then more dark chocolate. And basically there's like chocolate overload here, so anybody who loves chocolate will love these. Then gently just pick it out from your pan and slide it onto your surface. I would recommend leaving it for about an hour or 2 just so they're nice and set, but I was really impatient, so I wanted to cut into them straight away, and they're super soft when you cut them while they're hot. But just so you can see, just it looks amazing, very rich, very chocolatey, and the marshmallows add that softness to them. Just amazing, guys, honestly. These were gone in about an hour, and I'm not even joking. They're super yummy. They don't have any flour, so if you're gluten intolerant, this is the perfect recipe for you. And guys, make sure you check out loads of other recipes on my website and my channel. Just click on any video that you like here, and I'll see you soon. Bye.